It looks like an ordinary football. Players kick it, goalkeepers fear it, fans cheer it. But this football is doing something no football could do just a few years ago. It measures every kick, every spin, every touch, and communicates with the stadium in real time. Think about that for a moment. How can something as simple as a football possibly know everything that's happening to it? Let's cut it open and find out what's really inside. Welcome to InsideX. Today, we're exploring one of the smartest footballs ever created, the official FIFA World Cup 2026 match ball. Now that we've uncovered the first secret, let's peel back the layers and see what else is hidden inside. Every single layer inside this football has one carefully engineered purpose. Nothing is there by accident. The outer polyurethane cover provides grip. Beneath it, the foam layer absorbs impact and gives players better control with every touch. Next comes the reinforcement fabric. It keeps the football perfectly round and helps it maintain its shape even after thousands of powerful kicks. Deep inside, a rubber bladder traps pressurized air, giving the football its familiar shape, bounce, and responsiveness throughout the game. But hidden beyond all of these carefully engineered layers lies the biggest surprise of all. Hidden at the exact center of the football is a miniature electronic system. It's smaller than your palm and lighter than most people imagine. Inside are motion sensors, a tiny computer, a rechargeable battery, and a wireless transmitter. Each component has a specific purpose, working together to transform an ordinary football into a smart football. Everything you've seen so far is just the structure. This tiny electronic system is what brings the football to life. But how can something this small know the exact moment a player's foot touches the ball? Everything happens in just a few milliseconds. The instant a player's foot strikes the ball, the football experiences a sudden burst of acceleration. Inside the sensor is an incredibly tiny mechanical structure. It moves by only a microscopic amount, so small that it's almost impossible to see with the naked eye. The accelerometer measures that tiny movement instantly and converts it into an electrical signal that is sent directly to the processor. The processor constantly analyzes the incoming data. When the measured acceleration exceeds a programmed threshold, it immediately recognizes that the football has just been kicked. At that exact moment, the football knows it has been played. But the football doesn't just move forward. Every kick also makes it spin. That spinning motion creates the curves, swerves, and dipping shots we see during a match. Inside the sensor, the gyroscope continuously measures every rotation in real time. It tracks exactly how fast the football is spinning and in which direction. Whether it's a curling free kick, a powerful volley, or a gentle pass, the football always knows exactly how it's moving through the air. Now the processor combines everything it has measured: the exact moment of the kick, the ball's speed, its direction, and every rotation are brought together into a single stream of information. But collecting the data is only half the job. The real challenge is sending that information out of the football while the match is still being played. Using a tiny wireless antenna, the football transmits that data hundreds of times every second. The signals travel wirelessly across the stadium almost instantly. Within just a few milliseconds, receivers positioned around the stadium capture every transmission with incredible accuracy. In less time than it takes to blink, the football has already shared everything it knows. Does that mean the football decides whether a player is offside? Not quite. Its job is much simpler, but incredibly important. It tells officials the exact instant the ball was touched. At the very same moment, dozens of high-speed cameras around the stadium are tracking the precise position of every player on the pitch. Artificial intelligence synchronizes the football's touch data with the players' positions, creating an incredibly accurate picture of what happened at that exact moment. This synchronized information helps the video assistant referee review incidents faster and with greater precision than ever before. The football doesn't replace the referee. It simply provides information that would be impossible for the human eye to measure with such accuracy. A tiny sensor hidden inside a football, helping make the world's biggest game even fairer. There's still one important question left. How do you protect delicate electronics inside something that's kicked thousands of times during its lifetime? The answer is clever engineering. The sensor is carefully suspended near the exact center of the football, where forces remain balanced during impact. This special suspension protects the electronics from extreme shocks while allowing the football to fly, bounce, and feel exactly the way professional players expect. From the outside, it looks like a simple football. Inside, it's an extraordinary engineering system built from advanced materials, precision mechanics, microelectronics, wireless communication, and artificial intelligence, working together inside every single kick, every pass, every save, and every goal, quietly making the beautiful game more accurate, more consistent, and fairer than ever before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for our next exciting content.